Today's video is sponsored by Care of.
So it's officially been a month since I bought this abandoned home, and I gotta get rid of the things inside. I can't keep looking through the stuff. So today I have something to show you guys. I got a bin. I have a whole week to get as many things as possible in this bin, which I thought it was gonna be like half the size when I ordered it. Good news for me, because I can fit even more things in here. Maybe just move everything from the garage in here because we know this is garbage.
And I got a haircut. Jenna cut my hair. Apparently I look like Avatar, but
He looks like he's from Avatar.
I think it rolls.
Also, we got a wheelbarrow.
I got a wheelbarrow.
Thank you to everyone who recommended to get one. You want to pick the cardboard up for me? I took Nick's mic away because he's being too noisy. Oh. So we got the bin probably a quarter filled in like an hour. So I feel like they might be coming to pick this bin up in like tomorrow.
Oh gosh. Okay, how are we gonna do this?
We have a bin here. We're gonna put everything into the bin, and then we're gonna dump the bin.
Is this what life insurance looked like back in the day? I don't know why there's 7,000 pantyhoses here. Okay, camera. Wait, is that film? No way. I've never seen a film camera like this, but we found this inside it. I don't think it's exposed yet. Here's another. Is this binoculars?
It's a camera, stereo camera.
Actually?
Viewmaster stereo
Oh
camera.
yeah, it is a camera. Oh! We're gonna try to use the wheelbarrow now. There's so many shells in here. This is a sick sweater. Why are there so many red wine bottles? Winsor & Newton oil paints.
They used to trade.
How to sell and buy commodities? So Nick just came up with this brilliant idea that maybe we shouldn't go through all the boxes down here in our gas mask. Let's just take them all upstairs and do it outside.
I'm gonna eat some pizza. I have one extra small slice of pizza and some burnt crust.
I think I'll just take this. It looks pretty
It's
appetizing.
edible. And then I have one dessert.
So we have half a slice of pizza, 2 burnt crusts, and half a scone.
Yeah. Because we ate our lunch on the way here.
Do we announce the podcast?
It's hard work what we're doing. I'm more tired today than when we ripped up carpet.
It's a lot of boxes to move.
I know, and I'm very nervous because we've been at this for hours and I feel like we've done nothing.
Now you know how the old owner feels.
So the person that lived here before, it was like a son of a family. So he had all of the parents' stuff here, and then he lived here, and then he wasn't very well, and then he died, and then it went to the other sibling. So the other sibling then got the parents' things and the son's thing. And so it was just a lot of things here. And so she spent the last 4 years now trying to clear out this place. And as you can see, it's still not cleared out. She kind of had to sell it as is.
So we're dealing with the tail end of that situation, and we're already tired. So I can only imagine how she spent the last 3 years trying to clear this place out. Very grateful, but there's just so much stuff to go through. Quick update on the house. We've had the tarps on for a whole month now.
Still
Ish.
leaking.
It's leaking a little bit. It's a lot better than it was.
It's leaking still, but it's not leaking everywhere. It's only leaking in like 2 spots of the house, so it's good. So goal in life today. How much are we trying to get done? Are we trying to fill half the bin and then that's when I'm allowed to go home, or?
No, we have to clean the whole house.
We can't do the whole house today.
Well, we can do the whole house.
No, we can't. I can't even do my 700 square foot apartment in one day.
We'll do the downstairs.
Downstairs goal today?
Downstairs goal today.
Is he cutting a tree? Because I'll go ask him. I'll say, if you're at it, just come up the road. I will pay you money. You look like Jake Sully from Avatar.
Oh no. You cut my hair too short.
Nick taught me today that the more and more you use these filters, the more and more air goes through, the more and more dust goes in here, and the more and more you can't breathe.
They're more efficient.
So we're gonna pause on the dumpster diving because I'm gonna tell you about today's sponsor, which is Care of. If you're like me and you have 7,000 billion bottles in your cupboards of vitamins you don't take daily, this might be your solution. Did you guys have not heard Care of before? They make these monthly packs with daily packages inside with your supplements. So it's really simple. All you have to do is take a quiz with Care of, and they recommend the vitamins you should be taking. This will be based on diet, your exercise level, your sleep, 100% catered for you. And in this compostable pouch are my daily vitamins. So some of the vitamins I have is a calcium, a multivitamin with iron, because iron is something I've always struggled with. Also, they do have an app that helps you track how you're feeling and also helps you with the insights about your results over time so you can adjust your routine as needed. Take Care of's quiz to find out what's recommended for you. So you can use the QR code right here and use the code JennaP50 to get 50% off your subscription items in your first order.
There's so many books. What the frick are we gonna do with 2 pianos? Why are you so heavy? So we've almost got all the boxes out of the outside of the room, but you can't see it. We haven't got the boxes out of the middle of the room. What is in here?
You ready, my love?
I almost went down the stairs. We got a lot of boxes to move. I don't know how they even had this many boxes.
So after 45 years of cleaning out the downstairs room, we finally got just all the boxes out. We haven't even got the pool table out. We haven't got much of the furniture. There's still a filing cabinet down there, but here it is. And here. Did I mention that was only one room? To be honest, I really just want to throw everything out. I just want to put it all into the bin, but I can't. I need to at least, like, you know, briefly look through everything to see if there's anything of value. Because, like, what if there was a letter from the Queen in there? She's dead. Like, who knows? It could be in there, and that'd be very valuable. So I just, like, can't risk it. I guess, what do I even want to find here? Pictures of the home. I want to find old pictures of this house. Okay. Box 1. We got 1 shoe, gloves, tissue. Oh, there's bras. Why is there 7,000 pairs of pantyhoses? Garbage, 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 garbage. Are you tired yet?
Yeah.
I was tired 4 hours ago. Excuse me. Well, I didn't find a letter from Queen Elizabeth, but I found a picture of her. Why does everyone have pictures of the Queen? Do you think they took it themselves? I can push it, I can push it. Oh my gosh, you're so strong. What's your tip?
We got tip number 271, how to easily break a cabinet.
So I know you guys saw the couch in the bin over there. And yes, I threw it out because it wasn't in very good condition. Like the wood underneath was like, not very nice. The cushions, not very nice. It was just not very good, but you know, it had a good life. Could have lived longer if, you know, it took care of itself, but gotta eat healthy. But anyways, do you guys want to see the garage now? In the bin? Yeah. Meanwhile, the bin, pretty dang full. So we have a few furniture pieces we have. We have the lights here. Not sure if anybody's gonna want those. We have these chairs because These wood legs look beautiful. And then we have this. It's 5:17. We've been loading this bin for 5 hours now.
And it's not even done yet. We still have more.
Yeah, do you guys want to see downstairs now?
2. Perfect fit. Oh, it's dark. I forgot. Whoa, it looks pretty good down here.
Wow, it does. Look at that.
Yeah, come from this side. You can see a wall. I've never seen this wall before. Do you see this? Nothing under the pool table. But good news is, I found letters. I found a lot of really cool things. I found lots of letters, and I found photos.
Lots of photos.
Photos of this house, like when it was built. So a lot of really cool things I'll show you guys when I'm not hungry. I'm sorry, I'm getting hangry. Do I sound like Jack?
Welcome back, friends and family. Today is day 2 of trying to fill the bin with things from my abandoned home. It's almost full. I think we're gonna finish it today.
I think so too. You good to go?
I'm ready. Do you like how I labeled it? I put your name on it.
That's very sweet.
I spelled your name wrong though.
That's the new spelling now.
That's how you spell Nikki. So first thing, we'll get rid of the easy things like this carpet. I can do it.
I have this tied to the window as like a security measure.
Next, we're moving a really big filing cabinet. Oh, there's no way we're moving that.
What the hell? I think it just stuck.
You sure?
Yeah, it was stuck. Yep. There's more space.
Oh gosh! I am so impressed we did that. Oh, that is better.
It really doesn't want to go in.
I got a door.
Oh, this is wet. Is it wet? Oh! We have work clothes, so that's why I wear the same clothes every single time I come here, is because I have my work clothes that I don't bring home. I just leave here and work in, and I don't have another pair. I was just trying to I was just trying to sit down and take a break. No!
What do we do now?
We move furniture. I think we should move this one.
This one?
Yeah.
So what's the game plan?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's just move it here and see what happens.
Okay. Wow, that's nice carpet.
Wow, that's brand new.
Whoa, this was nice back in the day.
Oh, wow. Wait, does it have wheels? I think it has wheels.
It has wheels? It's got wheels.
Wow.
Oh my
We did not need to take all the cabinets out.
Yeah, I don't think this is gonna go.
Oh, it's gonna go.
Through the door?
Yeah. Okay, you ready?
You sure this is gonna go through the door?
Yeah. Here's the plan.
There you go.
Watch your fingers on each side.
Oh.
Just barely fit. Are you holding it?
Yep, I'm holding it.
Go.
See what I mean? It was brand new. This is our house back in the day. Oh my gosh! There's dogs on the front porch. There's the pool.
Those are so
Oh my gosh! Look at this.
What a find.
This is our pool. And then here's people swimming in the pool. So the house is actually supposed to have rocks like this, but it's all overgrown, which you saw last week's video of us getting rid of it. There's a lot of things here that I think are really, really cool, and I cannot keep all of them because then my house will look like this in the future. So maybe I'll sell some things. Maybe you guys can buy some, you know, little things like some of the greeting cards here. They're all brand new. They're probably from like the 60s. Did you ever meet my dad? This Jesus. Look at this Christmas card. I think I just need to start selling greeting cards. Oh my gosh, this is... Look at this card.
The bin is officially full, so now we're gonna shut it and just top it off.
Can I throw these in first?
Can you throw those in? Those look heavy.
Partially did. Hey, nice.
Did it hit you? Oh, sorry.
You're all good.
Look what Nick just found. Brand new, sealed Chanel perfume. I don't know how old it is. I don't know how long Chanel perfume lasts. But I'll take it home and find out. Oh, I found pictures. I don't know why they were scuba diving in the pool, but they're scuba diving in the pool. Oh, our piano!
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
Look at that.
Wow.
Wow, this is what their patio looked like back in the day. They had cushions that went over the...
So I got some good news. One, we filled that bin to the top. Like, it is jam-packed. Other thing, we pretty much got everything from the house in the bin, so the house is kind of empty now. Yeah, do you guys want a tour?
We're gonna start downstairs. I get like a little bit of an echo. We got our pool table and this other piano. I got two pianos. This room, I'll probably sell this on Facebook Marketplace. I feel like this is not new news. Like, this has been empty for a while now. Not much new in the kitchen either. Look how amazing it looks.
Wow. It's
It's
really all empty.
It's a brand new room.
Look at that. It's really dark in here, so it's hard to see, but
This was full before.
we got absolutely everything out. This whole room looks great.
It looks so good, but I gotta say, after doing this, I never want to buy anything ever again. I also hate throwing other people's things out. It was not very fun. Like, I felt so guilty because I'm like, these are people's things and I'm throwing them in the garbage. Like, they kept them for a reason. I did not enjoy that.
It was really hard work. I think my back is tired.
Oh, my whole body hurts.
Oh my goodness. I'm so tired. If you want to come back next week and watch me clean with a mask, subscribe.